Saturn is exact conjunct the Sun today, and this is so important because everything that's happening this week is a key to our liberation, because we're stepping away from the South Node. We are releasing what we don't need. And the question is this, very important: what is your wildest dreams? What is your wildest dreams for your life right now? And then the second question is, what are you committing to? Saturn is about committing and saying, now is the time to believe in what you want to create and what you want to transform in your life. But to do that, you have to make a commitment. And it's likely that there's something that you've dreamt about and then you lost your commitment on the way. I hate the word commitment. I'm an Aries with ADHD. But whenever I've committed with passion in my heart, I have seen results. What do you need to let go of to achieve those results? You're worth it, you have the strength, and you have the power today to achieve it.
And remember that Saturn is in Pisces, and we need this energy now. It's the magic within you, bringing that magic into reality through commitment.